Hello TikTok. Well, what I'm about to show you is this is what I do for a job and for a living. So if anyone's interested in what I do, please leave a comment below and hopefully you guys enjoy my video. So this is going to take some time, but once my metal is heated up, then the show will be on its way. Need safety goggles from this. Don't try this at home whatsoever. And it's hot. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting for my steel on this forge here, I'll tell you about myself. So I am an apprentice farrier. So if you guys don't know what that means, is that I do with horses. I do with race horses only, but you don't have to deal with race horses. You can deal with stock horses, quarter horses, ponies, anything with a hoof. That's what we do. And yeah, so that's basically it, really. This steel is nearly heated up, so hopefully I can show you guys a bit of it. And yeah, enjoy.